Hello guys, in this series we are sharing our journey of making $1 million on YouTube. This is an interactive playlist where we can think together and test different ideas on YouTube, what works and what doesn't. Today we are at 0.059% and our total revenue is close to $600. This is day 54 and these are our expenditures, investments and our AdSense revenue, which is $595.7, which makes our profit $430 in total. These are our investments. For today, only these two investments, this microphone that we are using right now and Ripple cryptocurrency. Why did we invest in Ripple cryptocurrency? Because this commenter suggested us, and this brings us to the top comment of the day section, where we are featuring every single day the top comment from the previous video. And if you had any questions, we are going to try to answer that at least. Or if you had any ideas that we should test out on YouTube, we are going to implement it in our business so we can grow and learn together. So this commenter suggested that we should invest some of the earnings in crypto, so we did that. We lost some money with that, but it is a nice experiment and we are going to follow along in the next videos how that performs. So if you have any ideas or questions, just leave them in the comments and go down to the comments and like the ones that you are interested in so we can find the best ideas that we are going to answer. Right now, let's jump into the YouTube studio to see how our channel is doing. Today we have 2,197 subscribers, almost 2,200. And let's jump into the analytics to see how are we doing today. Right now, in the last 28 days, we had 96.2 thousand views, which is great, 1.2 thousand watch hours, and 362 new subscribers, which is fantastic. And our estimated revenue for this 28 days is $306. Let's see now the 48-hour window. How are we doing right now in these last hours? These are the most viewed videos in the last 48 hours. There is nothing surprising here. Yeah. These are very stable videos. They are generating views for some of these videos have been up for years. I mean, not years, but more than a year. And as you can see, this one is 283 days and it's generating views every single day. Very stable video. And we have some others as well. This one is one of our most profitable videos. In these few weeks, it generated $24. And yeah, as you can see, it's have been up for 355 days and just every single day generates this almost the same amount of views, around 100 views for every single day, which is great. So let's see some of the 60 minutes, the last 60 minutes. Yeah, here we can see some more changes, some videos that are popping off, like this one about the Skull Candy earbuds, how one of the features of this earbud. We are explaining it in this video. Yeah, this one is growing fast. It's popping up. Some more interesting ones, some Duolingo videos. That's interesting. I did not expect to see such a high interest in these Duolingo videos, but yeah, as you can see, they are growing quite nicely. PayPal video. The problem with this video, I think, is that it is a vertical video and a short video, and now YouTube thinks that it is a YouTube Shorts video, which is like kind of funny, because when we uploaded this video there were no YouTube Shorts feature, but yeah, now because of the YouTube Shorts, the monetization of this video is like non-existent. That's why it has 3,000 views but only 0.02 cents. If this video would have like a normal RPM, it should have around $15 at this point. But yeah, YouTube Shorts, the YouTube Shorts thing. Yeah, some other videos. This video I uploaded yesterday and it's generating some views, which is interesting, from YouTube search, which is great. That's what we are targeting here. We are all for YouTube search. So yeah, some Binance videos. Yeah, this one is growing quite nicely as well. Yeah, so we are all close to 1,900 videos, which is kind of hard to imagine. I'm very proud that we reached this point. Okay, let's jump into the revenue section to see some stats about our revenue. As you can see, as I mentioned, the last 28 days we generated $306, but if we zoom out a little bit, we can see that in the last 90 days we have been monetized for around 60 days, almost 2 months, and we generated $595, and our RPM is $4.03, which we are going to try to increase a little bit if we can. But yeah, that's our plan. May is going to be definitely a more profitable month. As you can see, we are close to reach the whole month of April, and it's not even the end of the month. So yeah, that's also good. What else? Let's see some of the most profitable videos in the last period. Let's switch to 7 days, not 28 days. And yeah, as I mentioned, this Revolut video that I showed you, this is the most profitable one. Some Trust Wallet videos about cryptocurrencies, that's also good. It has a higher RPM, obviously, because it's crypto, it's a financial topic. But yeah, there are a few other videos that have high RPMs. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful or at least interesting for you. If you want to follow our journey on YouTube, you can check out this playlist. You can see how we started or how we are doing right now. If you are watching this in the future, maybe there are newer videos from this playlist. And yeah, thank you for watching, thank you for your attention, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.